Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I will tell you about some national fruits of some important countries. Before start this video I request all of you please subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon. Now let's start our video. What is the national fruit of African Republic? Banana. What is the national fruit of Colombia? Coroba. What is the national fruit of Cuba? Mamey. What is the national fruit of Germany? Apple. What is the national fruit of Jamaica? Ackee. What is the national fruit of Sri Lanka? Jackfruit. What is the national fruit of Spain? Grapes. What is the national fruit of South Korea? Asian pear. What is the national fruit of Austria? Apple. What is the national fruit of Azerbaijan? Pomegranate. What is the national fruit of Japan? Japanese persimmon. What is the national fruit of Canada? Macintosh apple. What is the national fruit of Bangladesh? Jackfruit. What is the national fruit of Afghanistan? Peach. What is the national fruit of Thailand? Mangosteen. What is the national fruit of Malaysia? Rambutan. What is the national fruit of India? Mango. What is the national fruit of Serbia? Damson plum. What is the national fruit of Pakistan? Mango in summer season, guava in winter season. What is the national fruit of China? Kiwis. What is the national fruit of Mexico? Avocado. If you like this video, so share it with your friends. Don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.